So hello there guys, welcome back to another video. This is actually a special video because this is aka the first video of 2021. And as you can see, my channel will turn 1. That is amazing. So as you can see, 2020 has been a really rough year. You may see it in the news of 19 where China was having it. Now it is just all of us children are having online schools, parents are now working from home. It is just a very different thing. In this year, I'm pretty sure that the vaccine of COVID-19 will come. Also note that I think it'll take another year because now there is another coronavirus. Just searched in UK coronavirus, then you will see the information. Just search in Google, but no wasting time. I'm just saying what would happen in this year. Yes, schools will open. You can finally go to school. And of course I'm a fan because why not? This will be the meme for today's description. I hope so. So enough time wasting. And now over here, see, these are the firecrackers. Okay, let's stop them. And now what it is over here, I'm going to split it up a little bit. So wait a minute guys. We're going to just simply program it ourselves. I'm just giving you all the block requirements, just like you need to build a house out of matchsticks, that type. All how much you need, what type you need, what company you need. I think so. Over here, see, first it is like the animation video. When green flag is clicked, forever. Next costume wait 0.09 seconds. And then what we have to do is to drag the first if over here and then grab not and then grab not from the operators and then grab the or also. The not costume equals costume number equals 10 or costume number is greater than 10. Just put it in the not and then put clear graphic effects. This is the same thing but only with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When green flag is if costume number is equal to 10, we'll just grab an or and put costume number is equal to 12 here, and then costume number is greater than 10, then put here, and then just put it in here and change color effect by 25. So here's the code for the crackers, and these are the only sprites. There are about 3 of them. Most of them they all have the same code, so don't worry. So you can see this is the code over here. this is a little bit advanced, which I ranked this about medium, but it is still easy. The only thing you have to do is to instead you have to make the firecrackers a different color, like maybe over here. As you can see, this was my first attempt for doing crackers, and yes, I just showed my entire window, so that's crazy. So as you can see, instead I call one just simply in that project, I just call it C1. So, and then this C1 2, then this one C1 3. So kind of weird. And also Diwali is a festival, is the festival of lights in here in India. So as you can see, it is just a firecracker rising up. And then as you can see, I recommend you putting 4 of these strings. Just make this red one, copy it, then put a yellow one, and then copy the yellow one and put the blue one here, and then copy the blue one here and make the green. So here, boom. And then in the second costume, you just put some random colors. As you can see, in some of them I put cyan, orange, really orange, and not so lime green. These continues, but they are even more bigger. Some of them go big to like their bottom is increasing, and some are like their entire thing is increasing. And also I don't add this thing because we don't need to add a color effect or like this. So this is the first way I recommend. I recommend you doing like this, but this is about 2 years ago. So hope you guys like this video. Hope you did smash the like button. So sorry guys if ringtone is coming, so bye.